Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Kim. So today I'll be reviewing the Laso tea. So basically this is a detox tea, right? Something that bites me. So anyways, this thing comes in a package like this. And by the way, this is not a paid promotion for Laso tea, okay? I'm just reviewing it for you guys. Alright, so comes in a package like this with this kind of like a ziploc thingy right here, so you can seal it. And it comes with 25 sachet in the bag. There were 25 in there. I already took 2 already. So this is what the sachets them look like. See, this is what it looks like. Comes in a little package like this. Alright, and it says makes 1 glass of herbal tea. So this now you can drink it cold and you can drink it warm. I haven't tried it warm as yet. I just drank it like normal temperature water. And if you're going to mix it, you mix it in a bottle of water like this. Normal bottle of water, like, what is this, 500 ml. Yeah, it's equal to a bottle of water, this amount, right? To 1 sachet, right? 1 sachet to 1 bottle of water like this, or the same amount in a cup with warm water. Alright, so 25 coming out the pack. And let's look at the back, what them say. Yeah, mix it with that amount of water, hot or cold. You take it 30 minutes before you eat. And it's 2 sachets daily, right? That's how you take it. And you can read all of this. I'm going to pause it for a little while so you can read to see what here so say. Okay, and that's all the information on the back there. Ingredients there, so all the information on the bag. Alright, and the funniest little thing that I saw on this package, right down the bottom here, it says you'll feel it. Now guys, let me tell you something. I've only tried 2 out of this package so far. Yes, I took 1 in the morning and I took 1 in the evening, right? And let me tell you something. When I mix this thing in the bottle, I literally felt it. Within like 30 minutes time, I literally felt it. I felt my belly, both sides, my belly bottom. I started to feel something in there working for real, you know. So this thing, what it does to your body, it detox your body, clean out your body, all of them long time pork, all of them long time chicken what itch up some part in your body, in your belly, and all of them something that want to come out, them long time fish, brown stew chicken and all of that, curry, everything, it clean you out, you understand? And it make inside of you nice and make you lose some extra pounds and all of that. So for those of you all people who want to lose a little weight and, you know, clean out your body and stuff, and it's good for your skin and all of that, you can try it, right? I am taking this actually to see if I can lose a little pound. I'm a thick girl, right? But I am proud of my body, but you know, nothing is wrong with a little improvement there and there. Not sure. Yeah guys, so this is what it looks like. And I bought this actually from a young lady by the name of Timaya, and I'm going to put her link in the description. I'm going to put her business card in the description. She is located in Jamaica, and I believe that she delivers or whatever. You can contact her and find out the necessary information. She's located in Jamaica, so for those of y'all people who is in Jamaica and you want to get this tea here, you can contact her. I'm going to put her card on the screen, and I'm also going to put it down in the description below. Now guys, I think this is a really good thing that you should invest in, because yeah, as I said, it clean out your body, it's good for you, a lot of benefits and all of that. So I'm going to open one of this pack, and I'm going to pour it on something so you can actually see what it looks like on the inside. And then I'm going to pour it in my bottle of water. I'm going to shake it up, and I'm going to show you how it looks, and I'm going to tell you how it tastes, right? So stay tuned for that. Alright. Guys, I can use a scissors or something. I'm just short-handed. Alright, so I'm just gonna pour it out. It smells really nice. It have a nice sweetish scent to it. I'm smelling it right now, and it has a nice herbal smell. It smells really nice. Trying to get everything out the package because I'm not going to waste any. Alright, empty. So let's have a closer look at this tea business here. That's how it's looking, guys. That's how it's looking. And I'm going to pour this in my water. Alright. See it down in my water, guys. So I'm going to shake this up right now. And it dissolves really quickly, so you don't have to do a lot of shaking, yeah? So tea package, use JK Family for 15% discount on your Laso tea instant. Alright, yes, I'll put her link in the description, and I'll also put her business card on the screen for you guys. So contact her and get yourself Detox, because it's the perfect time for that, because we're all home quarantining still. We're still going through a pandemic, so we're all locked inside. So why not put our body in shapes and clean out our body in the meanwhile we're at home, right? So you know, so when this Miss Corona gone and stuff, and we step out, our body will inside our body will clean and proper, and our body stay good. Understand? Yeah, right. So that's how it's looking, brownish like that. I'm going to take a smell of this. Basically, guys, it just smells like a regular tea. It just smells like a regular tea, a regular herbal tea. Right? I'm gonna taste it. It doesn't have any taste. Actually, It kind of tastes like regular tea bag without any sugar. Because you drink all of this before 30 minutes before you have something to eat. Alright, so I'm gonna drink mine right now. So I've already taken 2 sachets from the pack, so I'm on my 3rd sachet. So this is my 2nd day using this Detox product, and I'm going to keep you guys, update you guys on my journey, let you know what it's been doing for me and stuff. Yes guys, it does give you a little running belly, but you know, when you get in the running belly, that's how you know the product is working, right? And yes, after I used the bathroom, I felt a lot more lighter. So guys, that's the end of my review video for Laso tea, and I hope you all enjoy my video. And don't forget to leave a comment. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Turn on your post notification so you're updated whenever I drop another video. Stay tuned for the next video guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.